Since the dawn of our species, we've looked up at the night sky and wondered, what are those points of light? Are we alone in this vast expanse? The stars have always inspired awe, curiosity, and even a sense of longing. For countless generations, people have gathered under the stars, sharing stories and dreams about what lies beyond our world. This curiosity is woven into our DNA. We're explorers, driven to understand our place in the cosmos. The urge to seek answers, to push boundaries, is part of what makes us human. Every time we look up, we're reminded that there's so much more to discover. The atoms in our bodies, carbon, calcium, iron, were forged in ancient stars. We are, quite literally, stardust. The universe is not just out there, it's within us. Our connection to the cosmos is both physical and spiritual, linking us to the birth and death of stars. Every discovery about distant galaxies and the laws of physics deepens our story. Each new finding is a piece of a cosmic puzzle, helping us understand not just where we are, but who we are. Telescopes are more than tools. They're our eyes into the universe's past. They let us witness light that has traveled for billions of years, carrying secrets from the dawn of time. We ask, where did everything come from? What forces shaped the universe we see today? These questions drive us to look deeper and further. How did stars and galaxies form? What processes turned chaos into the order we observe? The answers are written in the light of distant objects. Could life's ingredients be common? Are the building blocks of life scattered throughout the cosmos, waiting for the right conditions to spark something extraordinary? Our view from Earth is just a single page from an infinite book. We crave the rest of the story, eager to turn the next page and see what mysteries await. To answer these questions, we need more than just pretty pictures. We need to decode the light from across space and time. Every wavelength holds clues about the universe's history and its future. Today, we stand at the edge of a new era, armed with a revolutionary tool. Our technology is finally catching up to our imagination. We're sending a cosmic detective to gather clues from every corner of the sky, piecing together the universe's story. This mission will help us see the universe as never before. This mission is our next bold step to satisfy that ancient cosmic itch and to know ourselves. The journey to understand the universe is, in the end, a journey to understand what it means to be human. Meet SPHEREx, NASA's new cosmic detective, ready to unlock the universe's deepest secrets. SPHEREx stands for Spectrophotometer, for the history of the universe, epoch of reionization, and ICE's explorer, a name as ambitious as its mission. Its mission, to investigate cosmic history, tracing the story of everything from the Big Bang to the birth of stars and planets, and even the origins of water and organic molecules. SPHEREx isn't just a telescope, it's a cosmic mapmaker, a time machine, and a chemical lab all rolled into one compact spacecraft. Launched in 2025, it's a small, nimble spacecraft with colossal goals, designed to fit in the palm of your hand, but with a vision as wide as the universe itself. In a sun-synchronous orbit, SPHEREx scans the entire sky, circling Earth in a way that keeps its instruments cold and stable, perfect for sensitive observations. Unlike telescopes that zoom in on tiny patches, SPHEREx sees the big picture, creating an all-sky atlas in 102 colors of near-infrared light, revealing details invisible to human eyes. Imagine your phone's camera, but with 102 colors instead of just 3, each color unlocking a new layer of cosmic information. This lets SPHEREx measure distances to hundreds of millions of galaxies, mapping the universe's vast structure with unprecedented detail. It can also identify molecules like water and organics, searching for the building blocks of life in the coldest, darkest corners of space. With a modest 20-centimeter telescope and no moving parts, SPHEREx is a marvel of efficient design, built for reliability and longevity. Its strength is breadth, cataloging everything out there, from nearby asteroids to the most distant galaxies ever seen. SPHEREx's map will transform our understanding of the universe's structure, revealing how galaxies and cosmic webs evolved over billions of years. It will also help us search for planets with water and explore the universe's potential for life beyond Earth. It's a bold project, promising a treasure trove of data for decades, fueling discoveries for a new generation of cosmic explorers. One of science's wildest ideas is cosmic inflation, the universe expanding unimaginably fast in its first instant. Inflation explains why the universe is so vast and uniform, but how do we test it? The answer: by studying how galaxies are arranged today, echoes of quantum fluctuations from the universe's birth. SPHEREx's main goal is to hunt for inflation's signature by mapping hundreds of millions of galaxies in 3D. Scientists will search for patterns in galaxy clustering, cosmic fingerprints of inflation. Finding them would be a profound discovery, revealing what happened in the universe's first moments. SPHEREx is like a cosmic archaeologist, reading the ripples left by the Big Bang. It's a quest to hear the universe's earliest echo. SPHEREx will conduct a cosmic census, charting the universe's large-scale structure. Galaxies aren't scattered randomly. They form a vast cosmic web of filaments and clusters, with dark voids in between. By measuring distances to over 450 million galaxies, SPHEREx will build the most detailed 3D map of this web. This isn't just for show. It reveals how gravity and dark energy shape the cosmos. By mapping galaxies at different distances, SPHEREx traces the universe's evolution from smooth beginnings to today's intricate web. It will test our models of gravity and dark energy on the grandest scales. SPHEREx will also study the faint glow of all galaxies, the extragalactic background light, shedding light on the universe's first billion years. It's our window into the cosmic dawn. SPHEREx also turns inward, searching our Milky Way for the ingredients of life. Life needs water and complex molecules. SPHEREx hunts for these as ices on interstellar dust grains in star-forming clouds. These icy grains are the building blocks of planets and comets, the raw materials that seeded Earth. SPHEREx will create the first all-sky map of these ices, detecting their unique spectral fingerprints. By mapping hundreds of millions of stars, it will reveal where life's ingredients are common or rare. This connects cosmic history to our own origins, tracing water from interstellar space to planetary systems. SPHEREx won't find aliens, but it will show how fertile our galaxy's cosmic nursery truly is. How does SPHEREx see the unseeable? Its secret infrared vision and spectroscopy. Infrared light lets SPHEREx peer through cosmic dust and see the most distant red-shifted galaxies. It reveals star and planet formation hidden from visible light. Spectroscopy breaks light into its component colors, creating a spectrum, a cosmic barcode. Each atom and molecule leaves a unique signature in the spectrum. By analyzing these, SPHEREx can tell what distant objects are made of, how far away they are, and more. SPHEREx is a spectrophotometer. It takes images and spectra at once, in 102 infrared colors. This creates a spectrum for every pixel in its all-sky map. That's how it measures galaxy distances and identifies water ice in dusty clouds. This powerful combo makes SPHEREx a revolutionary explorer. SPHEREx's mission is massive. Its goal is to map the entire sky in unprecedented detail, capturing the cosmos as never before. Not just once, but 4 separate times over the course of 2 years, ensuring no corner of the sky is missed. This repeated coverage is crucial. It ensures accuracy and reliability, averaging out random noise, confirming discoveries, and catching changes in the universe over time. With its exceptionally wide field of view, SPHEREx can capture huge swaths of sky in each exposure, making the survey both efficient and comprehensive. By rotating in its polar orbit, SPHEREx systematically builds a complete, all-sky map every 6 months, methodically covering every region. The result is a public data archive of immense scientific value. Over 450 million galaxies and more than 100 million stars will be catalogued, creating the largest and most detailed 3D map of the universe ever assembled. This treasure trove of data will be available to scientists worldwide, fueling new discoveries and research for decades to come. SPHEREx democratizes cosmic exploration. Anyone, from professional astronomers to curious students, can use its map to make new discoveries. It's a legacy mission, building the foundation for future astronomical research and inspiring the next generation of explorers. SPHEREx's atlas will keep giving long after its mission ends, guiding humanity's quest to understand the universe. SPHEREx is also a cosmic pathfinder, guiding NASA's great observatories like the James Webb and Roman space telescopes. These telescopes zoom in on tiny sky patches, but need to know where to look. SPHEREx's all-sky map identifies the most promising targets: rare galaxies, water-rich nurseries, and more. It's a treasure map, marking X for deeper exploration. For example, SPHEREx might find a star-forming region rich in organics. Webb can then zoom in for detailed study. This synergy maximizes scientific return. No single telescope can do it all. SPHEREx's catalogs will guide future missions for years. It ensures our most powerful eyes are always looking in the right direction. The most thrilling part of exploration is the unknown. SPHEREx is designed to answer big questions, but history shows new tools often reveal surprises. What unexpected discoveries will SPHEREx make? New cosmic patterns? Unknown objects? Unimagined chemistry? Its legacy will be twofold: a vast, public 3D atlas of the cosmos, an inspiration for future generations. SPHEREx reminds us we're part of something vast and mysterious. It inspires students and dreamers to pursue science and exploration. Each answer sparks new questions. The journey never ends. SPHEREx continues the quest begun by our ancestors, who first looked up and wondered. It's a testament to our relentless curiosity, and it ensures the next generation will have new maps, new mysteries, and every reason to keep looking up.